to go over 9 fitness myths that need to die in 2024. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Adam, aka Puffy, aka Puffy Got Buffy. And I am not another generic BS influencer. I don't care about that. I want to give you actual and practical and factual information. Because if you didn't know, I lost 150 pounds, so I'm not just spewing this crap out of my butt. I've also helped over 115 people lose over 50 pounds and keep it off for the rest of their life. So now here in 2024, that are so outdated, they might as well just be in black and white. You'd think we would have all the answers, but nope. I mean, maybe by 2030, we will, because AI is going to overrule us all. But until then, we're still haunted by all of these fitness myths. So, as my name kind of suggests, in akin to the Ghostbusters, let's exterminate them all. So, have you ever heard that you need to eat 6 meals a day so you can jack up your metabolism and burn all these fats and calories? Yeah, I know. Me too. But then it clicked. I'm not actually required, or we are not actually required to eat like we're hibernating for winter. And if I wasn't hungry in the morning, eating it every single day was kind of unnecessary. Whether you enjoy a few large meals or snacking here and there, your metabolism isn't gonna like stand up and cheer. The real focus, it's fundamentally all about managing the calories you consume versus you expand. Moving on, let's tackle the myth of clean, strict, rigid eating. Now, are you worried about you having to break up with your long-term relationship with pizza so you can start losing weight? And are you worried that all you have to do in order to lose weight is eat the same shit like chicken, rice, and broccoli every single day? Well, here's a twist. Replace these super high calorically dense meals with their healthier substitutions. And then, just like that, you can actually indulge in your cake, savor it, and still lose the fat. It's all about smart substitutions, not saying goodbye or bidding farewell to all of your favorite treats and snacks. Myth number 3, pain equals progress. So are you questioning your workouts if you don't end up in tears? Or you're limping down the stairs the next day after a leg day? Here's the real deal. Getting fit doesn't have to feel like you're the main character in a dramatic cliffhanger episode, wondering if you're gonna make it to the next season before they kill off your character. Discover what you enjoy in your health and fitness journey. It could literally just be a relaxing, calm walk listening to a podcast, or intense weightlifting listening to Metallica. Remember that struggle and pain isn't a prerequisite for success. Just do what you enjoy. And do it consistently and sustainably. Number 4, intermittent fasting, or IF. So, does squeezing all of your foods and calories into an 8-hour window magically get you to slim down and lose a bunch of fat? No! Well, fasting has its fans and some benefits. It's not superior to other diets when calories and proteins are matched. It's about what works for you and not necessarily the timing. In my professional opinion, please do not do OMAD or 1 meal a day or nauseating amounts of water fasting just because Dana White told you to do it on some podcast you listen to. So, myth number 5, you think the more protein you consume, the more muscle and jacks you're gonna get? Now, did you ever think you need to eat like double your body weight in protein in order to fill out the shirt or to build a lot of muscle and get really swole? Yeah, I know. Been there, done that. I bought the t-shirt. Turns out, you don't actually need to turn your kitchen into a protein factory or go bankrupt trying to buy everything at the nearby GNC. Around 1 gram per body weight is more than enough to make maximal gains, or 1 gram per your goal body weight. So save some room for carbs and especially fats, because those have a huge play in your hormones, and carbs can be your BFF for gym day because you need glycogen. That allows you energy in the gym, but I don't need to go into that. I'll go into another video. Number 6. The gym or bust. You think that the only way to get an amazing physique and get into healthy shape is to go and kill yourself in the gym 7 days a week. As appealing as it might sound to live your life on a treadmill or Stairmaster, it's not necessary. Mix things up with activities that you actually enjoy, because that is the key. It's sustainable and consistent. If you hate running, don't do it. Maybe go take a dance class. If you're allergic to weights or you don't want to look like a dude, then go do some bodyweight calisthenics at a park. Who cares? Fitness is like an all-you-can-eat buffet, which is like my personal favorite type of cuisine. It is not a set menu. Myth number 7, the one diet wonder. Keto, vegan, carnivore, OMAD. Oh my God. All right. With so many diets claiming to be the holy grail messiah, it's easy to get lost in the dietary dogma. But here's the scoop. The best diet is the one that you can stick to for the rest of your life. Because then it's not a diet. You don't want to be having to feel like you're on a culinary version of Survivor. Whether it's plant-based, although I don't recommend that, or meat-packed, the secret sauce is sustainability, not super strict rules. Myth number 8, the skinny fat phenomenon. I personally have not been guilty of this, but I have talked and worked with many clients that have, that they tried to lose weight, but they wanted to get ripped, but they only ended up being skinny fat. Look, basically, losing weight or losing fat without weight training is the culprit here. You want to ditch the fat, but without ditching and saying goodbye to your muscles. It's going to look ridiculous. Remember that it's not about the scale. It's about mirrors, pictures, and measurements week in and week out. And also about how you feel. Who cares what other people are telling you on the internet? It's a matter of what you feel and how confident you are in your own body. Number 9, supplements, the magic pill. And finally, we have reached the wild west of fitness myths with supplements. That was a massive tongue twister. So do you think like a magic pill or a magic powder is gonna melt all that fat away while you do Netflix and chill? No, it's not. Although if you do extra cardio when you're doing Netflix and chill, that will help. Supplements is like adding salt on top of a cracker. It's like just like the gold star when you did good in school, but they're not the reason you're gonna have long-term or even short-term success. Like a solid pre-workout might give you some extra energy or boost for a workout, sure. But like, don't expect miracles. You're not gonna turn into sebum because you spent $60 on a pre-workout you didn't have to when you could have just bought a coffee. It's the actual stake of your diet and the exercise plan that's gonna be doing the heavy lifting, not the sizzle of the supplement. Now, if you want to learn more about the best supplements to take that will actually help you build muscle or just not waste your money in general, I have recorded a video on this topic and it's either out now or will be dropping soon. So make sure you subscribe for that. So there you have it, folks. The 9 fitness myths busted in 2024. Or I hope in 2024 by the time I post this video. Maybe, who knows? I don't know. Now, remember, the path to your best self is paved with consistency and sustainability, not quick cut shortcuts. Find what works for you and stick to it like glue, or like the piece of gum that's on the bottom of your shoe. Annoyingly persistent, like me, but ultimately gets you to where you want to go. What a fantastic segue. Now, if you like this video, I have a full other video on a nutrition masterclass. It's gonna help you breaking down everything you need to know about protein, carbs, fat, everything about that, and you're gonna get a free ebook. That's gonna be in the link in the description below. Now, if you're struggling with your weight loss journey and you don't know what to do, you don't know where to start, or there's too much information on the internet, and you like this video, and you like me, and you don't think I'm full of shit, then I would highly encourage you to book a free game plan chat with me and join the 115 people that I've helped lose over 50 pounds and keep it off for the rest of their life. Now, thank you for watching this video to the very end, and thank you for joining me today. Don't forget, it's free. This takes a lot of time and effort to make. Drop me a like, please. It helps with the algorithm. Share this with someone that you think might actually find this useful. And most importantly, please subscribe for more, because all I'm doing is dropping free information to help you on your weight loss or health and fitness journey. Until next time, I will see you in the next one.